Hi listeners, welcome back on our favorite Food channel wherein we have been interacting with a lot of IITians and you have seen the previous videos of mopping the room, कैसे पोछा मारते हैं and how the IITians have been enjoying in their lifestyles. So today we are going to talk about a very famous word called KP which has got great significance. So I am going to take you to the few of our IITians who got their convocation who attended their convocation today and got their degree from Honorable President of India, and I would like to get some inputs from them how they survived, what is the significance and role of KP in their life, and what exactly is the KP. And we'll start with one of our famous artists and an engineer who completed his masters in technology and serving in one of the famous world-class IT industry, Anuj, and he will give us a brief note what KP is all about. Anuj, over to you.
See, the KP word, it's a abbreviation for two words. The one is K and the other is P. So if we talk about the K itself, it's a word we everybody know. It's in Hindi language itself. And if we go to the synonym of that word in English, it comes out to be the P. So for every guy over here, they can understand that thing. So if K is in the Hindi, the similar synonym of in English is P. So, but here the both of the word, the KP, resembles to the Hindi words only. So I think you already know about the K thing, but the P here is for to tone out. So if you tone out the word K, it comes out to be KP. So now let's
very
go
nice
back to the Sachin Mishra sir.
Very nice introduction. Thank you so much for your inputs, and we'll come back to you again. Please stay with us tuned.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Sachin.
thank you. Okay, so you are talking about KP.
So how it is significant, give some scenario or some example.
Jugaad in IIT. How we can survive in IIT without doing that much of, in that much of workload, how can we survive in IIT? So there are many things where we can we can jugaad. Okay, so how we can jugaad in subjects, how we can jugaad in projects.
So does it mean that KP is a jugaad?
Everywhere.
Or is it a kind of innovation, or what is it?
It's kind of innovation. How we can...
नहीं KP yes.
So
अंग्रेजी में बोल रहे हैं, हिंदी में काहे नहीं बोलते हो बे? KP का मतलब होता है जितना मजा आपको के फाड़ने में आता है उतना ही मजा उस काम को करने में है. उसका मतलब KP है. KP मतलब जुगाड़ नहीं है.
Okay.
KP मतलब मजा है, मजा.
Okay, so I'll come back to you.
Just feel it from your inside, the depth of your heart, what it's transmit it to your heart. So you have to feel it, that thing you have to feel it. So if the enjoyment of that thing is parallel to the thing that my fellow friend talk about, then it will consider as a KP.
जो भी इस वीडियो को सुन रहा है वो अपनी जिंदगी में नोटिस कर ले उसे सबसे ज्यादा मजा किस चीज में आया. उतना ही मजा है तो KP है.
Okay, so coming back to Sachin. Sachin, can you give me
okay, one example. Okay, today
से पहले मिस्टर गौरव, हम चाहेंगे कि हम 5 सेकंड मौन व्रत रखें प्रोफेसर आर के शर्मा की याद में.
No. What is the meaning of याद में?
I mean, he is still alive, right? So he is your guru. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva.
गुरु को प्रणाम करते हैं. बोलो शर्मा सर की.
If you want to do something, if you want to do something innovative, go to R.K. Sharma in mathematics department. Okay, leave it. Okay, so today how we define KP
in your today's scenario, give some recent example.
Okay, आज क्या हुआ था कि everyone want to take photographs front of main building, Bharti building, in the ground. That was given for degree.
So you mean the gown जो पहन के आपने degree लिया?
पहन के degree लेते. But that was not allowed. So हमने जुगाड़ किया, हम ग्राउंड के साथ बाहर आए. सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स हमें अलाउ नहीं कर रहे थे, but still we get out. So that is KP. कि हमने किस तरह से जुगाड़ लगा के हम बाहर आए.
So there are some rules and there are some regulations. So if you do something beyond that, you are not spoiling those things, but you are doing something different. So if you go in that way, that is KP. You have to realize it from your inside. Nobody can taught you what is KP and all those stuff. So you have to feel it. You have to conquer it, man. Yeah.
So if we talk
Here
about
comes
previously,
Mr. Yeah.
previously the recent example of KP, that we were not supposed to go out in gown, as Sachin said. हमें gown पहन के बाहर जाना allowed नहीं था, but still we wanted to do. Like other people, we could have submitted the gown and went outside, but हमने ऐसा नहीं किया. We explored the whole situation, we explored the whole area. We found out there is a way जहाँ से हम अपने gowns फेंक सकते हैं बाहर. Then two of us started
Throwing the grounds.
Two of us.
Yeah,
we
those two.
gave
Be
our
specific.
gowns to Anuj and Sachin, and they were standing on the wall near to the road, and we went up. We came outside. We took our car, and then we came to the point where they were waiting. From there, they threw the gowns to us, and the guard came running. Instead of fearing that, we just catched the gown, put it in the car, and we just ran back to the area. So this is KP. Like ideally, we could have quit down. We would have submitted the gown, but we didn't do that because we wanted something to happen, and that is an outstanding work. That is an innovation.
Yeah.
Am I right, Anuj?
Yeah, definitely you are be specific in those ones. So now let's talk about a little bit in the past. So what is KP? Earlier to that spot, earlier to that era, earlier to that thing that have happened in the history of IIT Delhi, we have another one concept, another one thing that has been established as the KP in the history of IIT Delhi. That thing is done by none other than Mr. Michu over here. So let's back to
Hello.
Mr. Michu, and we will talk about him, what is the experience and all thing about
Mr. Sachin Michu, tell me, how did you do KP in the past?
Okay, there are many examples. So which example you want to?
You tell me the most impactful that is coming to your mind.
Okay.
Dharmraja ki KP.
So last one recently that I've done. So that was in IIT project starting in July, and it end up in next July. So it is 1 year duration. So I think there is tradition it start in July and it end up in July, but it's nothing like that. If you can do KP, you can start in September and you can end up in
not even in September. You can start it in the November itself,
you can
or
start
October.
And that's how you managed to do KP.
That is what we
started on
done.
October and we end up in April, and we take holiday for 2 months, and everyone was working till July.
And do you think that you have been honest in this KP process?
We are specifically honest to that thing. We are IITians, man. We do have ethics. We do have all these terms. We are following that. We are not denying those things, but we are honest to ourselves. We are honest to our guides and all those stuff. So let's back to Mr. Sachin Michu only. He will explain you what it goes and how it experienced by himself only.
I think I was that day there was a minor presentation of final project, and I was thinking कि क्या ज़रूरत है यार, मेजर ही दे दूँगा, माइनर का क्या ज़रूरत है. So and on that day I didn't give minor presentation.
But somehow I heard that you were unwell as well. You were sick.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay, you were unwell.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was unwell, so I didn't
It was
give
just
my.
like you have the hospital facility in IIT Delhi.
So-
you can be unwell whenever you want.
Yeah.
Just go to the hospital. You ask
whenever
them
I
to put
didn't
some.
complete my project, I always be unwell. क्योंकि मैं हॉस्पिटल से जाके अपना सर्टिफिकेट बनवा लूँ और प्रोफेसर को जाके बोल दूँ कि सर आई एम नो.
You will get a documentation of being unwell. So whether you are well and unwell, it doesn't
that is
matter.
sort of
man.
KP.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
But
how.
to be honest to my viewers, I don't do this KP. So here the Sachin Michu sir
Okay.
is the only one who does that in the history of IIT Delhi. So just get back to him only.
Okay, so
Sachin sir के लिए salute. Rodi salute Sachin
We
sir.
will do that at the end of the
Oh,
At
moment.
the end of the ceremony.
okay, so how I'll do keeping recent incident I am telling you. So my professor, my guide give me ANAC because I have done excellent work in my project. You know. Okay.
So ANAC means 9 out of 10.
9
right?
out
Yeah,
of 10.
9 out of 10. That's
But-
tremendous grade.
Yeah, but
Appreciate that. Your efforts.
anyhow, I didn't appear in minor presentation, so my coordinator cancelled 9 and he gave me BNAC. That is 7 out of 10.
Okay.
So that was I think कि मुझे गाइड ने 9 दिया है, so who is my coordinator to cancel my ANAC to BNAC. So what I have done, I will make many jugaad. We can say many KPs Okay, and anyhow, I have done. After my major presentation, I anyhow managed to do my minor presentation.
So doesn't seem it irrelevant that you are finishing your project, then you're doing.
That is KP. After major presentation, minor presentation.
So
that is KP.
So
That is KP. That is how you
Yeah.
state that.
मैंने मेजर प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद अपनी माइनर प्रेजेंटेशन करवाई है.
So
And then राजा को मुंह पे गाली दी है उसकी
Yeah.
PhD स्टूडेंट के सामने उसने.
don't be specific
Don't
about
be
the
specific,
professors.
professor.
You have to beep it, man.
Yeah.
Just consider
Respect
that.
them.
Respect
Yeah.
them. Anyhow, they are your professors.
प्रोफेसर को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता है.
See, anyhow, they are your professors.
Yeah,
They
you have to
taught you
respect
in
them.
your
But for
degrees
KP,
and all.
I have
but,
to do that thing. Sorry for that. But KP is KP ना. KP तो करना था ना.
केपी ना
KP is the other
प्रोफेसर
thing,
को
but
देखती
respecting the
है
professor.
ना उनके बच्चों को देखती है. बच्चे आप समझ गए मतलब
You know.
बच्चियों कभी नहीं देखती है. हम सेक्स के ऊपर बायस्ड नहीं होना चाहते.
Sex means gender,
Okay,
right?
so
Gender, yeah.
जेंडर
After
अदर मेल फीमेल और
After major
Any other
presentation, having a minor presentation, that is one kind of KP. Okay, so major presentation के बाद minor presentation हुआ and I got INAC again.
That's a really good
so-
job.
So the thing over here is like your professor has given you INAC, and the coordinator.
So we understand the whole situation. Now, Anuj, tell me one of the incidents that we have not yet discussed about your KP part.
The thing is like we were doing the project under some computer science professor, and we got the project in May itself. We worked on that till the September, but it didn't work out as usual with our case. So what we do, we just switched from the computer science to the mathematics. So he is none other than our renowned professor. Or, you all know his name. So he is the.
So he
one-
helped you out.
Yeah, he helped us a lot. If he was not there, we were not going to.
Get the degree today.
Yeah, we are not going to get the degree.
So how did you get the whole idea of this KP in your
It's
mindset?
like.
I mean, how the term KP came to your mind? What is KP?
If
How
you
did?
talk about the term KP, so for that I am not the right person to talk about. The KP, the origin of the KP word itself comes from the none other than Mr. Alok Nikhil Jha. So we will get back to that specific person for now.
Okay, we'll
Let's get back to him.
We'll definitely do that. Before that, let's. Okay.
So we are getting back to Mr. Alok Nikhil Jha. He is the founder of the KP. So what do you want to discuss and express your thoughts and what
exactly
objective
KP
of
is?
KP?
KP is nothing. It's just out of box thinking and using using your thinking in solving some kind of problem. It could be a social problem. It could be personal problem. It could be solving for a problem for a mass.
maybe physical problem.
It could be physical, it could be chemical, it could be biological, it could be anything. So the term KP for me is very important because when I started this term, there was a situation wherein I was given some grades and that was unfortunately not the one which I was expecting, and somehow I was not supposed to stay in IIT. And at that time I thought now this is the right time to raise your voice, do the Rang De Basanti, and I started the term KP. And then I started working with solving that problem and that solution. I keep on incorporating in every other student I met in IIT, that how they can use KP in their own development, the development of their personality, the overall development of their sexuality, being secular, communal and everything. So that is the word KP is very important for me.
So this is for now, and we will get back to you once we have a new concept and once we have a new event in IIT Delhi. So thank you for now. Bye bye. Take care
Jai
and
Hind.
Bismillah.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.